We are at a ryokan in Nagano, in Takayama-mura area called Yamada Onsen. And this is Chie-san, Toba Chie-san. And we're going to see our room. Okay. じゃあ、入りましょう。いや、日本語でもいいです。はい。
こちらの部屋、富士でございます。はい。では、どうぞお入りくださいませ。
お願いします。And this room was made in last year. 去年の何月でしたっけ？10月。So October of last year. So this is right now it's end of March. So this is brand new room. This is the entrance. This is 特別室 special room. And so we have two of them. But this is one of them called Fuji. You can see. Very nice. And Fujiiso はいつできたものなんですか
？200年以上前に、当時は、江戸時代の末期でございます。
It has over 200-year history and was first founded during the Edo period. And so, yeah, it's very historic, but we have the comforts of a brand new room. じゃあまずどこに行きましょうか。
はい。ではメインルームにご案内させていただきます。
All right, so we're going to the main room.
こちらがメインルームでございます。
This is the living area, Western style, with a carpet, and this is a big TV and a desk. でこれは布団とか入れるところなんですね。そうか、はい、わかりました。OK。でこれが庭ね。庭だけじゃなくて、Wow, look at that, big onsen. これ窓を開けて半露天風呂にもできるんですよね。でも外にも一つあるんだ。
こちらが半露天風呂でございます。開けたらもちろんオープンエア。
So this is half open air bath, so you can open that big sliding window and bathe in there. Very nice. で源泉かけ流し。
こちら厳密には源泉かけ流しではなくて、源泉が温度が熱いので少し加水して温度を調節しております。
もちろん、はい、そうですね。でも 100% 温泉ということですね。
100% ナチュラル温泉でございます。こちらが、脱衣室でございます。
はい。
こちらが。
So this is the vanity area. Okay.
はい。こちらが温泉でございます。
This is the onsen bath. And then you shower right here. Okay. Japanese style garden. And you have a gorge, a view of the gorge out here. Thank you, Chie-san. And so this is another terrace area. I see. So this is what it looks like. And so this terrace, what Chie-san said is this area, the terrace, is the Japanese 和室ですよね. Japanese living room. And so it's connected through the sliding door. Very nice. Okay. Right. All right. Right. はい。
こちらベッドルームでございます。
そうなんですか。これそのクローゼットで布団とかがしまってあったと思って。
クローゼット、はい、ワードロープ。
いいです。じゃあこちらの部屋、じゃあまず。
じゃあ、はい、失礼しました。
じゃじゃーん。ベッドルームタイム。Hi. So Chia-san speaks excellent English. So if you are a foreigner, you are in good hands. So this is a Western style bed, which is nice. Looks nice and comfortable. Another huge TV. And then this is ここに浴衣とか。
はい、 浴衣は隣のお部屋に。
Oh, okay. This is just a closet. The yukata robe is in the Japanese room.
May I close?
はい、はい、どうぞ。千恵さんは地元育ちですか？
Yes.
でもどこで英語を勉強されたんですか？
独学でございます。
へえ、すごい。Okay, so here's another room. Again, we came in from here and we turned left and now we turn this way. Okay. All right. So this is what they call washitsu or Japanese style room. Tatami mat floors. Very nice smell of the tatami. And yeah, some nice ornate artwork. And you saw the terrace over there before. Another angle at it. Nice. Okay. で、浴衣とかそういうのはこちらですか？Okay. So now Chie-san is going to show us where the yukata robes are for the. うわ、まだあるんだ。ここね。うわ、big closet. It's our stuff. You can hang stuff up here. There's a dresser. So this is the yukata. You can wear it. It's like the Japanese style robes, casual wear. This is more regular Western style robe. And you have a storage locker. There's a basket where you can put your stuff in to go to the communal bath. But again, I don't think that's necessary. で、ここが布団とか。
はい、布団入っております。
Yeah, so this is where they store futons for those who want to sleep on the floor, or if you have many people staying in one room, then they'll just roll it out. So, okay. 以上ですか？まだ。
こちらが、
はい。
ミニキッチンエリア。
はい。Okay.
コーヒーと紅茶も、はい。
Okay, you have tea and coffee here. 丸山コーヒー。はい。
丸山コーヒーは長野県生まれのコーヒーメーカーさんです。
長野、it's a specialty here. これがミニバーですね。
ミニ倉庫です。はい、奥に。
なるほど。So you have some drinks. Okay.
こちらご自由にお召し上がりいただけます。
Complimentary?
はい。
Okay. なるほど。Okay, so Fujiiso, and it is made in, again, over 200 years old. It's been around for a long time. It's very traditional, but this room is modern because it's barely 5 months old. You got a big bath in the room, and with all the comfort and amenities of a modern, newer ryokan. So it's deep in the mountains of Nagano. We'll enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed.